In this episode, we are looking at the best PC case on the market for every price range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. At number 1. NZXT H510 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. This PC case features a cable routing kit that includes channels and straps that ease the wiring of the PC during setup. It has a tempered glass side panel that you can install with a single screw and offer excellent durability and a view of the interior of the PC. The case is useful for ATX, Mini ITX, and Micro-ATX motherboards. The case comes with two AER F120M fans to improve the internal airflow, and there are no removable filters on the PSU intakes and front panel. Other cooling features include the removable bracket that allows users to install radiators for custom loop or closed loop water cooling. At number 2. Musetex G05S-HB Mid-Tower Chassis Gaming Case. The inclusion of two dust filters on the bottom and top provides a dust-proof design that is great for use in various environments. There are 6 MVP ARGB fans available with 7 colors that users can customize according to their preference. These fans are also essential for offering excellent cooling and airflow. Cable management is available, and tempered glass panels with anti-collision protection are present at the front and back of the case. What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.